Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Vegetable slicer. Makes everything simple. Just forget your bagged cheese. Only turn the handle for several times and get fresh shredded cheese, cutting the food 12 times faster and saving more time. Go ahead for your favorite recipes with this cheese grater. Premium material. All parts of the rotary cheese grater are made of food-grade ABS material, no BPA. The 3 blades are made of stainless steel, never dull or rust. Our rotary grater provides safe choice and ensures you can enjoy healthy food. 3-option grater. The Parmesan cheese grater finishes food preparation with slicing, shredding, and grinding blade easily, which is perfect for grating cheese, cookie, peanuts, almonds, etc. For salad, hash brown, taco, smoothie, and so on. Hand blender. Hand blender set. The 7-in-1 immersion blender set comes with 2 blades, stainless steel 4-leaf blade and ice crusher blade, and features unique bell guard that safeguards non-stick cookware from scratches and reduced suction, prevents food splatters. Emulsions blender also includes 500 milliliter chopper, 20-aughts measuring cup, whisk, milk frother, accessories holder, and 5 feet power cord. Powerful performance and durable. 800-watt, heaviest dust copper motor paired with 2 professional titanium steel 4-blade and ice crush blade rotation system can handle the toughest blending tasks effortlessly. Egg cooker. Kawu egg cooker, Kawu egg boiler, priority launch egg cooker, 4 egg on egg rack every time, plus 2 egg in egg bowl every time. Kawu egg cookers will put various sizes. As we all know, on the market from small egg cooker models to large 14 egg capacity ones. Consider almost daily typical needs. Kawu egg cooker is also a yogurt maker, your great choice for making nutritious breakfast anytime and anywhere. 2025 mini rice cooker. More than rice. Oatmeal, stew, soup, quinoa, rice, and pasta. The 2-cup capacity allows for healthier portion control or individual quick and easy breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, or sides. Quick plus easy. Setup time is minutes. Simply add water and your uncooked rice, pasta, or veggies and press the cook button. Your steamed meal or side is ready in less than 20 minutes with less cleanup. Keep warm function. Updated with a keep warm function and indicator light. Burger press. Food-grade press and heavy-duty cast iron. Avoid harmful PTFE or PFOA chemicals that other presses use with our food-grade iron cookware. The Bellman Bacon Press might just be the most indestructible cooking tool you use. Made with heavy-duty cast iron, the press can also be seasoned like cast iron skillets to create a non-stick surface. Equalized weight distribution for perfect grill marks every time. Preheat your beautiful first grill press on the pan. Then apply the equalized heavy pressure to your food of choice for a short time. Knife set. Set includes 8-inch chef knife, 8-inch slicing knife, 7-inch santoku knife, 5.5-inch utility knife, 3.5-inch paring knife, 2.75-inch bird's beak paring knife, 4.5-inch steak knives, 6, 8-inch sharpening steel, all-purpose household shears, and wooden block superior performance. Cuisinart's classic forged triple rivet cutlery possesses superior high-carbon stainless steel blades for precision and accuracy. Total control. Durable extra-wide safety bolster for perfect stability and control. Well-built. Stainless steel rivets to secure the full-tang blade to the ergonomically designed handle. Mesh strainer set. Seal steel ring, long handle. All sizes of fine mesh strainer feature a sturdy wire frame and have rust-proof screens. Securely attached long handle increase the loading capacity and protect you from scalding when removing the noodles from boiling water. 3 most popular sizes: 2.8-inch strainer for tea, quinoa, or coffee, 4.7-inch strainer for powder sugar, cocoa powder, and 7.87-inch strainer for quinoa, pasta. A kitchen must have all your straining, sieving, sifting, filtering, and rinsing tasks. No wasted food. The strainer's fine mesh nets easily catch and sift, strain, or drain the small ingredients. Meat thermometer. Instant Read Food Thermometer. Our Instant Read Thermometer features a temperature probe and advanced, highly accurate technology with 2 to 3 seconds response time. Instructions: meat temperature chart comes pre-calibrated for your convenience and recalibrating feature if needed. Multi-use. From BBQ thermometer to baking thermometer, our digital food thermometer for cooking is perfect for meats, liquids, deep frying, and candy making. For air fryer, oven, grill, BBQ, griddle, smoker, kitchen, and outdoors. Easy read digital thermometer for onion holder. Smart design. Onion holder sharp stitches prevent slippage and cut evenly for greater safety. And pin joints are sturdy, not easy to fall off. Widely used. The onion holder can also be used as a meat tenderizer. Long steel needle penetrates deeply into the meat to improve its taste. It is also easy to clean after use. Light in weight, everyone can use it for cooking. Claim your time. The onion holder for slicing. Save a lot of time for slicing or chopping onions. No more nasty cuts or using nails to hold onion. No more uneven slices or losing tomato juice on cutting boards. Dish towels. Feature. Size: 28 by 16 cm, 11.2 by 6 inches. Material: coral velvet. Package: 12-pack kitchen towels. The 12-pack provides you an ample microfiber cleaning cloths towels for all your household needs in daily life. Ultra absorbent. These dish towels are made of high-quality coral velvet thickening material. They are lightweight, super absorbent, and dry quickly. The Kimteni Classic kitchen towels are lint-free and absorb fluids quickly and efficiently for any tasks. Machine washable, easily to be washed. They are washable for both hand and machine. The dish drying towels maintain an excellent quality even after multiple washes, will resist shrinking and minimize lint. You could use these dish towels over and over again.